live video streaming just might be the next big thing in the world of digital marketing. And as every digital marketer should know, keeping up to date with the latest developments is key if you want to stay ahead of the competition. What's more, live video streaming could end up being something that changes the whole world, in the same kind of way that cloud computing could potentially change the way all of our technology works and the way we do everything. Live video streaming has potential to impact on every major aspect of our lives. This is an incredible opportunity then, to jump on board with something at this incredibly exciting inception point and to influence its trajectory and its impact on the world. Now imagine if you'd been around when the internet first launched and you had a video series that could tell you exactly how to make the most of everything the web promised. Well, that's exactly where you find yourself now. If you get involved with live video streaming now, you can solidify yourself as a massive presence before other marketers get on board. But what is live video streaming? Just why does it hold so much promise? And how can you make sure that you're doing it right? Well, that's what we're going to find out. So hang on to your hats and get ready for an exciting ride into a brave new frontier in digital marketing.